Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these belVita breakfast biscuits are absolutely delicious. They've got a really great crunch to them, which is important, and also a really delicious flavor. This is the blueberry crunchy biscuits. They do come in other flavors as well, and really they're all very delicious. These are great for on the go because they are individually packaged. They come 4 to a pack, which I think is the perfect amount for a little snack or a little breakfast. And they also look really cute as well with a little pattern on them. They are designed to gradually release steady energy, which is perfect for the morning. And I also find them to be a really perfect accompaniment to a cup of tea with that little bit of sweetness and that really nice crunch. So if you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast or a snack on the go, these little crunchy biscuits definitely do the trick. I really love them. They're super tasty, and that's my point of view.